Understanding Hydroponic Kits, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic, hydroponic kits. This video is designed to help English language learners understand what hydroponic kits are, how they work, and why they're important. So, let's dive in and demystify this modern gardening method. Hydroponic kits are a type of gardening system that allows plants to grow without soil. They use a water-based solution rich in nutrients, providing everything plants need to grow directly to their roots. This method is popular for its efficiency and the ability to grow plants in spaces where traditional soil-based gardening might not be possible. A typical hydroponic kit includes several key components. 1. Reservoir, holds the nutrient solution. 2. Grow tray, where the plants are placed. 3. Light source, often LED lights, to provide energy for plant growth. 4. Pump and timer, to circulate the nutrient solution and automate the process. 5. Growing medium, such as rock wool or clay pellets, to support the plants. Understanding these parts helps in grasping how the system supports plant growth without soil. Hydroponic gardening offers several advantages. Efficient water usage, it uses less water than traditional gardening. Space saving, ideal for urban environments or small spaces. Controlled environment, reduces the risks of pests and diseases. Faster plant growth, as plants receive nutrients more directly and efficiently. Hydroponic kits are used in various settings, such as home gardening, for growing herbs, vegetables, and flowers. Educational purposes, in schools, to teach students about plant biology and sustainable practices. Commercial farming, in greenhouses, to produce large quantities of crops. Hydroponic kits represent an innovative and sustainable approach to gardening. They offer a way to grow plants more efficiently and in a variety of environments. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of hydroponic kits and their benefits. Happy gardening, and see you in our next video.